All right, let's look at 5-6 here. So a teenager saved small dollar amounts and now has $712. They can choose from 2 different bank offers. So here's offer 1. Okay, account 1 has a 5.3% compounded continuously, right, for 6 years. The second one compounds quarterly, n equals 4 for 5 years at 6.0%. Which account yields the most money? All right, well, the continuous uses the PERT equation, right? The value of the account is PE to the RT. So 712 E to the rate 0.053 T times, do it like this. So that's the value of this account. Now this second account is only 5 years, not 6, and it uses the equation where we compound more than once. So 712, 1 plus 0.06 compounded quarterly over 4 times up to the n times t 5 years. So your job is to calculate the amount here, and then subtract. Okay, if I can get this before the video runs out. 712 e to the 0.053 times 6, and you have to round properly. 978.56, that's how much is in account 1. Account 2 is going to be 712 times plus 0.06 divided by 4. Oh, that's not what I wanted. 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4. I'm going to raise that to the 4 times 5 is 20. I'm going to multiply that by 712. So this is 958.96. Right? So account 1 has the most money, right? Most money. The difference is 958.96. So 978.56 minus 958.96. $19.60 is the difference. Okay? I hope that helps.